Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate staking rewards tracking with BlockFi Alternatives, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate staking rewards tracking with BlockFi Alternatives, begin by researching available platforms. Choose a cryptocurrency platform that offers staking features such as Gemini, Celsius, or Kraken. Create an account on your selected platform by providing the necessary information. Verify your identity by submitting the required documentation to comply with KYC regulations. Once your account is verified, log in and navigate to the staking section of the platform. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to stake. Review the staking terms and conditions, including the rewards and lockup periods. Decide the amount of cryptocurrency you want to stake and initiate the staking process. Confirm the transaction and take note of any confirmation emails or notifications. Check the dashboard or staking rewards section of your account to monitor your staked assets. Set up alerts if the platform allows you to receive notifications regarding staking rewards. Keep track of market prices and staking rewards periodically to optimize your strategy. Consider using additional tools or platforms that specialize in staking rewards tracking for a comprehensive view. Regularly review the staking performance and make adjustments as necessary based on your investment goals. Stay informed about changes in platform features and staking options by following their official updates. Lastly, ensure you understand the risks involved with staking and only invest what you can afford to lose. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.